Peacock. Peacock boasts of immense beauty. It is loved for its blue and green colored body, its turquoise green and blue and brown colored feathers, and its beautiful crest. Catching a glimpse of peacock dancing during the monsoon season can make your day. Peacock has been a source of inspiration for painters, poets, and other artists since times immemorial. Peacock finds many references in the Indian history. Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan especially got his throne crafted in the form of peacock. King Asoka particularly ensured that people did not hunt down peacock. During his reign, he made killing of peacock an offense. Interestingly, Aurangzeb, who was known for his cunning nature, also ensured safety of peacocks. He put a ban on shooting this beautiful bird. During the Gupta period, peacock was recognized as royal bird. Besides, numerous paintings, engravings, and pieces of literature in India have been inspired by the beauty of peacock. Peacock has been associated with various Indian gods and goddesses. It is believed that peacock came into being from the feathers of Garuda. Garuda is a mythical bird that serves as a mount for Lord Vishnu. Peacock is the conveyance of God Kartikeya. Kumari, who is a form of Shakti, also rides peacock. This beautiful bird also serves as conveyance for Vikata, an incarnation of Lord Ganesha. Lord Krishna is seen adorning the beautiful peacock feather on his head. Peacock has also been associated with Goddess Lakshmi and Goddess Saraswati. Goddess Lakshmi is known as the goddess of luck, beauty, and prosperity, and Goddess Saraswati is known as the goddess of wisdom, kindness, and patience. It is said that Lord Indra took refuge under peacock wing when it was unable to defeat Ravana. He then blessed the bird with courage to take on the snakes. It is also said that as a result of a curse, Lord Indra was transformed into a peacock with 1,000 eyes. Peacock feathers are considered sacred in the Hindu religion. People hang peacock feathers at home to bring in good luck and prosperity. Thus, peacock is not only associated with beauty, vibrancy, but also holds an important place in the Indian history and mythology, thereby making it all the more special.